Plant FAQs. Begonia Chloroneura. Begonia Chloroneura, a stunning yet finicky jewel. Hi, Ferbvu here. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of the Begonia Chloroneura. This rare gem from the Philippines boasts dramatic, almost black foliage with vibrant green veins and a touch of red. But its beauty comes with a bit of an attitude. So, buckle up, plant enthusiasts, as we explore everything you need to know about caring for this dazzling diva. What is a Begonia Chloroneura? The Begonia Chloroneura is a rhizomatous begonia, meaning it grows from underground rhizomes rather than a central stem. This beauty hails from the Sierra Madre mountain range in Luzon, Philippines. It's a true conversation starter with its mesmerizing foliage. The leaves are asymmetrical, with serrated edges and a dark greenish-black base color. The real showstopper, however, are the lime green veins that pop against the dark backdrop. The undersides and edges boast a touch of red, adding another layer of intrigue. This begonia is considered quite rare, having been collected only once in the wild back in 1987. Thankfully, it's found its way into the world of horticulture, allowing us to cultivate this stunning plant in our own homes. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. Begonia Chloroneura versus Begonia Black Fong, a tale of two dark beauties. Often confused with its cousin, the Begonia Black Fong, the Begonia Chloroneura has some distinct features. Here's a quick breakdown. Leaves. Begonia Chloroneura has a darker, almost black base color with prominent lime green veins. The Black Fong boasts deep, near-black foliage with subtle, darker veins. Leaf shape. The Chloroneura's leaves are asymmetrical with serrated edges, while the Black Fong's leaves tend to be more symmetrical and have smoother edges. Rarity. The Chloroneura is much rarer than the Black Fong. Both are stunning plants, but the Chloroneura offers a touch more drama with its bolder color contrast and unique leaf shape. How to care for Begonia Chloroneura. While undeniably beautiful, the Begonia Chloroneura can be a bit on the demanding side. Here's how to keep your plant thriving. Light. This begonia prefers bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves. Water. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Humidity. Aim for moderate to high humidity levels, around 60 to 70%. You can use a humidifier, pebble tray, or group your plants together to create a more humid microclimate. Temperature. Maintain a comfortable room temperature between 65 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 25 degrees Celsius. Avoid sudden temperature fluctuations. Soil. Use a well-draining, airy potting mix specifically formulated for begonias. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, fertilize your Begonia Chloroneura with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength once a month. Withhold fertilizer during the winter months. Tip. Be mindful of overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. How to propagate Begonia Chloroneura. Propagating your Begonia Chloroneura allows you to share its beauty or simply expand your collection. Here are two common methods. Leaf cuttings. Take a healthy leaf with a bit of the stem attached. Plant it in a moist, well-draining potting mix, and keep it in a warm, humid environment. Rhizome division. Carefully remove your Begonia Chloroneura from its pot, and divide the rhizome with a sharp, sterilized knife. Ensure each division has at least one growing eye, and pot them individually in appropriate containers. Tip. Patience is key when propagating. It can take several weeks for roots or new growth to appear. Conclusion. Begonia Chloroneura, a rewarding challenge. The Begonia Chloroneura may require a bit more TLC than your average houseplant, but its captivating looks make it a worthwhile challenge. With the right care and attention, you can cultivate this stunning begonia and bring a touch of drama to your indoor jungle. So, are you ready to add this rare gem to your collection? Remember, while I've provided a general care guide, it's always a good idea to do your own research to ensure you're tailoring your approach to your specific climate and environment. Happy planting!